Hey guys, HW. Here we are, walking up to the gate at Hartley's Crocodile Adventures in Cairns. Come get around it with me. Just filming this cheeky parrot at the entrance to where the ticket sales are. Also give me an opportunity to covertly record the ticket prices here, even though you can see them on the website anyway. I've removed the background audio on this one because I'm not sure whether they'll get annoyed if I record their voices. So just shows the crocodile wranglers moving the crocodiles around, doing different activities. Same with this scene. Good seeing the crocodile snapping on the chicken though. There's two juvenile koalas here. It's really nice how you can get up close to all the wildlife in this park. If you're ever in Cairns, I definitely recommend you check out Hartley's Crocodile Adventures. It's good value. Look at the size of this sucker. I'll extend the tripod out and see if I can see over this cage a bit.
There should be a little part where you can like put your phone to. Look, he's eating the cow. No, I reckon they just push over. Yeah, they do. Do not throw it. You can see how the American alligators don't actually look as dangerous as ours. What the hell?
What's wrong with that?
Much smaller. Look at it. Oh look, there's another one there.
Lifting its face up at Dad.
Wants to eat him.
Oh, that's amphibian bugs. You can't get it.
Out of all the crocodiles that I've seen today so far in this park, this one would have to be the creepiest one. This would be the one I wouldn't want to be in the enclosure with. Just seems to be really alert and sneaky, this one.
Look at it swim under.
Where'd it go?
So I learned something new today. This cassowary here, I thought it was always a native species of Papua New Guinea, which it is, but it's also native to the north of Australia as well. So you learn something every day. Look at the size of those. They rip your face off.
That is a really nice looking bird, isn't it?
Now I'm not sure if this owl's deliberately standing on one leg or whether it's missing a leg. I can't work it out. It's a beautiful looking owl anyway. Again, getting close to the wildlife. Look at this kangaroo. It hasn't got a care in the world. It's not interested in me whatsoever. So it must be pretty well fed.
We hold it.
No, I'll do it. This is Rex Lookout on the Captain Cook Highway. And as far as I'm concerned, this is the best viewing point in Cairns. It's or the best lookout in Cairns. So we're starting to come to the end of the adventures today. So I'll get ready to finish this video up in a moment. But yeah, keep checking back each day. I'm going to release the videos as quickly as I can and get the whole Cairns trip online at the same time so that you can just binge it. And then when I get back to Sydney, I've got a new video planned to do down there, which will take a bit of work, but I hope it turns out alright. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next Cairns video.